Okay, this is how to winterize a Mongoose 184 LT. Okay, first, drain the water out of the tank, which I have already done, and then I shut the valve after I drained it. I also shut this valve after I drained it. This valve is here so that when we open your antifreeze valve, it keeps the antifreeze from running back into the tank, so the antifreeze can only run forward. So when we're winterizing this thing, all we're really doing is giving the pump antifreeze instead of water. So you'll see I turn the antifreeze on. It's going to gravity feed. You'll see it filling up the filter housing there. It'll work its way to the pump. We'll see it pop out the air bleed here in just a second. There it is. Okay. Now we're going to come back here. We're going to turn the key on, and as soon as we turn the key on, we need to turn the water on. Because keep in mind, anytime the motor's running, the pump is pumping. And right now, if we were to turn the engine on, we are also turning the pump on, and it would just suck the antifreeze right out of that reservoir tank and dump it all back into the water tank. It would just recirculate it back into the tank. But what we're going to do is turn this on. We're going to turn the water hose on immediately, and we're going to see it pushing the water out of the hose into the plastic container, because even though RV antifreeze is non-toxic, we wouldn't want any EPA watchdogs not happy with us dumping antifreeze onto the ground. So I'm not going to do that. So we'll turn the jetter on, water on instantly, and now you'll see the water's coming out as the pump is on idle. If we go up here, you'll see that it's taking antifreeze out of the tank. You see the tank level going down. As soon as we see pink coming out of the hose, we are going to open this flow control valve a half a turn to shoot some antifreeze up through that line, which will be this line headed back up to the tank. And that's all there is to it. And I'll make another quick video and show you how to save that antifreeze and push it back into the tank when you're done. Probably only about 5 gallons of water between the pump and the hose, so we should be seeing pink really soon. So I think there we are. Open that, see the pink go up through back to the tank, and shut the jetter down. That's all there is to it. That's how you winterize a Mongoose 184 LT. Look for my next video that shows you how to unwinterize it and push the majority of that antifreeze back to your tank so you can use it multiple times.